In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Team Builder in NCAA 25 on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, one of the main features included with NCAA 25 is Team Builder. Team Builder is officially available on the EA website, so you can either visit the NCAA page or just look for the EA College Football 25 Team Builder. When you go over to this website and you tap Get Started, you will be redirected to this page. Now, the first thing that you might notice is that if you are doing this on mobile, you will get this message, unsupported device or browser. Basically, the Team Builder, the current version that is in development on the beta, is not officially available for mobile. So most people will not be able to get through this, and sadly, it means that you will have to use a PC or laptop. However, what you can try to do is tap on these little three lines on your web browser and then choose the option to use a desktop site. Now, this is going to differ for everyone. I am using Firefox, so the option is available over here. But if you are using Chrome or Safari, maybe it is going to be available elsewhere. As you can see in this current case, it is still giving me the message unsupported device or browser. However, if you look for the Team Builder EA website on Google and you make sure that you have the desktop side option enabled, you will be able to go through this page. Then you tap Get Started, and instead of telling us that it is unsupported, now we can use the tool. So what you can do from here is browse through pre-existing teams or tap the option to create if you want to make your own. Now, this loading screen is going to take a while, and there is no guarantee that you will actually be able to go through. Like I said before in the video, because the feature is not officially available for mobile, we are essentially using a workaround, which means that there is no guarantee that it is going to be supported 100%. If you want to ensure that you are able to use this tool, I would highly recommend using a PC or a laptop instead to access the website. But you can try through this method and see if your device is capable of loading into the Team Builder. For mine, it is taking a while, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get through this loading screen. So I'm just gonna let it sit here and see if I'm able to get through. If you are able to get through, you will be able to customize the team, the logo, the uniform, and then eventually upload it. But because the feature was not developed to be used in mobile, most often it is simply going to be loading forever. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use Team Builder in NCAA 25 on mobile. As you can see, after a while it actually loaded, so we are able to browse through everything. However, the performance is not the best and some features might be limited. As you can see, it was supposed to have a 3D view over here, but right now it is empty. It could either be loading or it simply doesn't work. It's hard to say. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.